Today, I'll show you how to create a Booksy account step by step so you can start booking appointments quickly and confidently. Whether you're using the website or the mobile app, the process is very similar, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to type, and what to look out for. First, open Booksy either in your web browser or on your phone. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official Booksy site or the official app from the App Store so you know your information is safe and you're using the real platform. Once you're on the main screen, look for the option that says Login, Sign Up. This is usually at the top right of the website or on the main welcome screen in the app. Go ahead and click or tap Login, Sign Up. Even though it mentions logging in, this is also where you'll create a brand new account. After you select that, you'll be asked how you want to sign up. Booksy gives you a few choices and you can pick the one that fits you best. The most common options are using your email address or connecting an existing account like Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. If you choose email, you'll typically need to enter a valid email address that you check regularly, create a secure password, and sometimes confirm it. Try to use a strong password you don't reuse on other sites. After entering your details, you may be asked to verify your email, so keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation link and click it to activate your account. If you prefer to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, simply tap that option. Your device may open a small window asking you to sign in or confirm which account you want to use. Follow the prompts and give Booksy permission to use that account for login. This is often a bit faster because you don't have to create and remember a new password specifically for Booksy. Once you've finished choosing your sign-up method and your new account has been created, the next important step is to complete your profile. This is where you add the personal details Booksy needs to tailor the experience for you and to help professionals know who you are when you book. Look for an area labeled something like Profile or My Account. Inside, you'll usually be able to add your name and in some cases your phone number and basic contact details. Make sure everything is accurate and spelled correctly, especially your name, since that's what providers will see when you book an appointment. You may also be able to add things like your location, preferred language, or other optional details. Filling these out can help Booksy show you more relevant businesses and services nearby. Take a moment to save any changes before leaving the screen. When your profile is complete, your Booksy account is ready to use. From here, you can start exploring local services, reading reviews, and scheduling appointments, all from the same account you just set up. That's all it takes to create a Booksy account and get your profile ready for booking.